morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. I need 10 offers for $1. Like, really, Ibotta? Like, it's like that? Like, I thought that we was here. I thought that we was homie. I thought that we was cool, you know? But I guess we're not. I do have the jack-o'-lantern, and for that, I need like 6 or 7 offers. So I'm gonna shoot for that. I'm not even gonna think about the midweek. I'm gonna shoot for the bigger bonus and see if we can knock that. Well, that should be no problem knocking out. Let me just be honest. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this vein right here, if this is your first time seeing this lovely face, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. I'm sorry, y'all. I had an energy drink this morning. Oh my god. I started drinking them again. I was like, oh my god. I had one at the gym this morning. So please excuse the energy. So listen, what else did I want to add? Because I just lost my whole train of thought. It went out the window. I did want to mention my points. For those of you who don't know, all right, you haven't been watching, it's your first time. If it's your first time, I want to see a blue star in the comments if it's your first time watching. So listen, with my points, it is still glitching. It's been glitching since the first. It's only with PayPal, and it's basically costing you the same amount of points, whether you get a $15 PayPal or a $25 PayPal. So obviously, if it's going to cost me 2,400 points, I'm going to get the $25 one, right? And so that's what I've been doing, basically. And so I am counting an extra $10, but I'm only counting it once it hits my PayPal. Now, again, it's been working since the first, and I am working, as of right now, I'm waiting for 5 to clear. Since the last video, 4 cleared. So I had the one for the 7th, I had 2 on the 8th, and 1 on the 10th that cleared. I'm still waiting for the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, and the 14th to clear, and I have 5, all right? Other than that, what else? That's basically it. So I've been trying to group my points deals in increments of 2,400 for obvious reasons. And so other than that, there's nothing else I can add. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can get today. I think I have one deal from Vons. It's just one deal from Vons. Is it only one deal from Vons? One deal from Vons, and I think I did the peroxide at CVS one last time before it was dead. And so other than that, we're gonna head over, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see your girl got new, if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Talente. I want to try something because you know your girl, hi y'all, is notorious for trying some things. I have this Terra Pack coupon. I'm gonna try, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work. If it works, it'll be awesome. If not, it's still not a bad deal, but because I still have I think I have 2 or 3 of these still in the freezer, I probably won't do it. But listen, so the Talente, certain ones are on rollback for $4.92. So for this, without the coupon, you pay $14.76. Get back $2 for buying 2 on Ibotta. There's also 850 points on my points, which is $5.31. And then I have an offer on Fetch Reward for $2.50 back when you spend 12, and then 50 cents for each one. So it would make them $1.15 each, which is not bad. But if this coupon works, then it would make them free plus $1.05 moneymaker. So I'll let you guys know if this works out. To do the Jimmy Dean griddle cakes again. They're priced at $6.26. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $12.52 out of pocket. End up getting back 1,190 points on my points, which is $7.43. And then $1.82 for each on checkout 51, making them only 72 cents each. I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4. And I went ahead and did the biscuits again as well, priced at $7.53. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $15.06, getting back the same points on my points, which is $11.90, or $7.43, and then $1.82 for each on checkout 51, making those $1.99 each. I see you. Do you see me? All right, I've been up and down this aisle looking for this chicken, y'all. I can't find it. They say this is the aisle it's supposed to be on. I would assume it'd be here somewhere, but I do not see it. But it's on the Tyson's lightly breaded chicken strips are priced at $8.47. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $16.94, getting back to $25 for each on checkout 51. There's also 1,190 points on my points, which is $7.43. It makes them $2.50 each. I definitely wanted to try them, so I may try a different store and see if I can find them there. And so yeah. All right. So next up is the traditional medicinals tea. It's on the Stress Ease one. They're priced at $5.17. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $10.34, getting back $1.38 for each on checkout 51. There's also 850 points on my points, which is $5.31, making them only $1.13 each. All right, so I'm not gonna do this deal. It's on the Friskies Party Mix. They're priced at $8.48. Now we do have an offer on checkout 51 for $3 back. There's also 510 points on my points, which is $3.18. It makes it $2.30. I'm hoping that this will eventually pop up on Ibotta since it usually does. And so we're gonna hold off until yeah. Now I went ahead and did this deal as well on the Friskies. What are these? Soups. They are priced at $1.34. I grabbed 3 of them, paid $4.02. Got back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on checkout 51, $1.06 on my points, making them only 32 cents each. All right, and next up is the Gain dish soap. It's priced at $2.94, getting back $2 on Ibotta. Of course, I'm gonna grab one for Walmart Rewards as well, making this only 94 cents. Also grabbing the Bounce Instant Static Remover again, priced at $5.68. Getting back $2.85 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Fetch, making that only $1.33. So, of course, the store doesn't carry the Ultra Packs, but I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the liquid. It's the 20 load bottles. They're priced at $5.44. So for this, we're gonna grab one. Using this $2 hang tag right here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this coupon doesn't have an expiration date. Like I haven't seen one on it. That's going to be the total down to paying $3.44. I'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. And I'll get back 213 points on my points, which is $1.33, making that only 61 cents. Of course, I'm going to grab 2. So the next thing I'm going to be grabbing is going to be the Jergens. This is the travel size one, priced at $162, getting back 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $160, making this only 2 cents. And the limit on this is a limit of 4, so I'm going to go to max it out. And I'm hoping it resets, because guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it on repeat. All right, really quick, guys, I totally forgot to mention with the Talente. Now, I tried to use a tear pack coupon. It did not scan for me. I used it at a regular register, and so I had them void them off. Now, when I submitted my receipt, though, I actually still got credit for it on my points. Just being transparent, but I'm not going to be counting that. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really good. I don't think I had any issues today, to be honest. I did the Jergens twice. I did it yesterday, and I did it again first thing this morning. And that's still a great deal. Oh, the Follow Your Heart cheese. And that was a Vaughn's deal. It's $4.99. There's $1.50 digital. And then I also had another $1, I think in points or something, on my app that I use as well. And so I paid $2.49. I got back 3 on Ibotta. Made that a 51-cent moneymaker. There goes the peroxide. Y'all know, same deal, same deal. That deal was dead. I did it one more time. I was really hoping it was going to reset for a 5th time, which would have been the final time for me, but it didn't. And those are 99 cents. Got back 75 cents on Ibotta for each one. Limit of 5. Maxed it out. I told Joseph, I said, we are stocked up on peroxide for a hot minute because he uses it every day. So it's something that I'm going to buy anyways. Only thing is, instead of having a couple of nice sized bottles, we got 20 small bottles. I did the Gain on both Ibotta and Walmart Rewards. One tip for you guys when you're doing the offer on both, obviously you're using different receipts. And the second thing is sometimes what I'll do, well, I always do Walmart Rewards first, right? Once it hits my app, then I do it on Ibotta. And that one went through right after I checked out. Another thing you can do is if you're doing Ibotta, don't activate the offer for Walmart Rewards. Otherwise, you're going to get it first, especially if you're using whatever card you have linked to your Walmart app or if you're paying with Walmart Pay. And so, yeah, that's kind of just a couple tips for that. What else did I want to add as far as this? I think that's basically it, y'all. This was, you know, easy peasy. I want to try these chicken strips, but like literally, I feel like there was only like 8 in a bag. Like, no joke. And I don't understand why it costs so much, and they only give you like, I mean, not literally 8, but it just seems like there's not a lot in the bag. And I got the last 2 at that store. And so anyway, so listen, everything that you see here retails $122.42. We had $6.50 in coupons, bringing our out of pocket down to $115.92. My sales tax for this was $4.16. And then we walk away with a total of $71.35 from my points. I told you guys I did have 4 of my gift cards that cashed out since my last video, and I'm counting $40, which is the extra $10 per gift card. I hope that makes sense. Ibotta was $27.95. Checkout 51 was $19.18, and I'm so happy that I'm close to cashing out again. Shopkick was $12.92. Fetch Reward was $3, and last but not least was Walmart Rewards for $2. All right, so we walk away with a total of $136.40 in rebates, making everything you see here free plus a $20.48 moneymaker. Even after tax, we still make $16.32, which is really awesome, especially considering we got a lot of food here. And so other than that, if you get to the end, I really appreciate you guys watching. I want to see balloons and cakes for my Libra boys, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.